the next mega trend, that is the advanced material. Within this mega trend, we clearly see two most important shifts. That is, the 4D materials will revolutionize the material science and manufacturing, and further increased adoption of biopolymers will pave the way for the development of more environment-friendly products. Now, the programmable materials refer to materials compositions that are highly dynamic in form and function, and capabilities such as 4D printing allows companies to fully program these materials to change shape, size, appearance, and also function based on the surrounding environment or need. We see a lot of development in this space, like the DARPA's Engineered Living Materials Program, which is a pioneering program where the living biomaterials are integrated using advanced technologies like 4D technology to create materials that will not only possess the structural integrity of traditional construction materials, but will also exhibit certain dynamic properties such as self-repair and environmental adaptability. Now, the goal of this particular program is to create a new class of building materials that are not only cost effective, but are also sustainable and are also capable of evolving and responding to their environment. Next, the adoption of polymers has the potential to significantly reduce plastic waste and transform the material ecosystem. Now, by biopolymers, we refer to polymers which are made from natural sources and include biodegradable polymers or biocompatible polymers. Biopolymers are chemically synthesized from a bio-based material, or they are entirely biosynthesized by using living organisms. The main signals that we observed here was that in 2022, the recycling landscape of plastic packaging revealed significant challenges. That is, only 14% to 18% of plastic packaging was returned to a recycling system. And out of this, merely 15% were effectively recycled into new products. But then we also see another significant signal that this biodegradable plastic market is expected to reach approximately 6.12 billion by 2023, as it grew from $3.2 billion in 2028, which is almost a growth of 15.1%. Now, this particular growth was mainly driven by increasing demand across various industries, particularly in packaging and consumer goods, and this demand was basically due to the heightened environmental awareness and also regulatory support for sustainable material. In terms of trend evolution, we see that in short term, synthetic biodegradable polymers will be increasingly recognized as vital materials when it comes to preparing medicines, and also when it comes to applications such as drug delivery, tissue engineering, and other biomedical devices. In the midterm, the advancement in 4D printing and programmability of materials will transform the various industries by enabling the commercialization of adaptive technologies and shape-changing materials. And finally, in the long term, we see that the ongoing research that is happening within the 4D printing and programmable material suggests that there could be smart systems in place that can automatically adapt and respond to their environments. And this will obviously lead to some breakthroughs, not only in the sectors like healthcare, but also in the fields like robotics, construction, and environmental monitoring.